Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the Gruffalo 2019 UK 50p Silver Proof coin. If you were lucky to buy this before it's sold out from various sources, including the Royal Mint and Westminster Collection, this is how it will arrive in the Royal Mint box. And I'll just start off by slotting this part out, which we'll get onto in a second. So this is the outer sleeve, and that's the front. And then that there is the back. And on the side you've got Treasure for Life. And then by there, oh help, oh no, it's a Gruffalo. And we'll put that down. I really like the attention to detail here of actually making the illustrations carry on inside on the packaging there. That's pretty cool. And then we come onto the box itself, which I'll just turn over so you can see the back before I open it up. So let's have a look at what's inside. There we go. So that there is the coin and how it's presented. We'll come onto the coin in a minute, so I'll just take the perspex out for now and put it down by there. And then inside you get all of your paperwork. So we'll come on to this in a second, but I'll just show off the COA, the Certificate of Authenticity. I have actually put stickers over my number here. That is because I've recently sold a few of my Beatrix Potter Silver Proof coins, and I didn't think it was fair that the person who now owns those coins has the coin on a video of mine. So therefore, from now on, if I do get a COA, I'll cover up the number in case I do sell it on in the future. So just go onto the back there and show that off, and we'll come to the inside so that we can have a look at the coin specifications. So the denomination is 50p. The alloy is 925 AG sterling silver. The weight is 8 grams. Diameter 27.30 millimeters. The obverse designer is Jody Clark. The reverse designer Magic Light Pictures. The quality is proof, and the maximum coin mintage is 30,000. But in this presentation, in the box, it's 25,000. And we've got a little bit of information there again. So we'll have a quick look now at the sleeve that came along with it. There we go. So that's the front for the Gruffalo. And if I'll just open it up, and what I'll do is my usual thing, where you can pause this now and read at your own pace if you want to have a read of all this information. So it's very bright, vibrant colours on the whole design of this boxed coin. And yeah, I was fortunate enough to get this one. A lot of people are having to wait for their orders a bit longer, but a lot of people as well are having to buy them off sites such as eBay, and there are some coin groups on Facebook that you can also get this from. But I think if you hold off a little bit longer, you might be able to get this again for the price that the Royal Mint was asking for it, and maybe a little bit cheaper. So there we go, this is the perspex block. I really like the vibrant design by here, it's very clever. So we got the front and the back. So what I'll do is I'll just slot this out from here, so I can actually take the coin out of its holder there and show it off for you. Go. So we'll start off by having a look at the reverse of the coin. There we go, that's the design. It's simple but very effective. I really do like this. I mean, I wasn't a fan of the Gruffalo, but I really do like the design. And we'll just check out the other side there. As usual, silver proof finish, absolutely stunning. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, were you lucky enough to get one of these? Or are you going to hold off and see if you can get one maybe at the same price a little bit later down the line, or maybe even get it a little bit cheaper? But let me know in the comment section below, because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.